Hey guys, it's Mel here, and in today's video I'm going to do a little quick tutorial on a makeup that will last through the summer heat, through sweat, all that. It will stay. This is very long lasting. So if you want to see how to get long lasting makeup like this, just keep watching. So first, after moisturizing my face and applying eye cream, I'm going in with my favorite primer by Becca. It's the Ever Matte Primer. This stuff will keep you matte. I put this just pretty much in my T-zone because that's where I get oily. Next, for foundation, a drugstore option is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I have mine in the shade F7. And then I'm going to mix it with a high-end foundation, which is another great option. So I'm showing you two options, but I'm going to mix them for my perfect shade. This is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation in the shade Sand. Both of these I love. They will keep you matte. They will keep you sweat proof. They will make your makeup stay through everything. I love both of these. So now that we got our base on, I'm gonna go in with concealer. This is the E.L.F. Camo Concealer. This is in medium sand. I love this concealer. It's like $5. It's freaking amazing. Full coverage, and it lasts. I love it so much. And it's surprisingly not dry under my eyes. And now I'm going to cream contour with a foundation stick. This is by Maybelline in the Fit Me collection. This is their foundation stick. I believe it's the matte one. And this is in the shade Coconut. So if you go in with a foundation stick, the cream contour is going to last a lot better. So I'm just going to cream contour this, blend it out, and then we will eventually set it with our powders. Now, if you're super oily, you can skip this step and just stick with powder bronzer. It's up to you. Now I'm gonna set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless face powder, the pressed powder in 220 Natural Beige. I'm going over everything. That way when you apply bronzers and blush, it won't move anything or get patchy. And for under my eyes, I'm going to use this Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. Love this stuff. It sets our concealer under our eyes and brightens as well. And it's super affordable. I love this. Next, we're going to go in with our first bronzer. This is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It in the shade 2 Medium. I love this bronzer. It's just so beautiful, blends out great, gives you that sun-kissed glow without all that super shimmer. And to deepen our contour, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild ColorIcon bronzer. This is a matte bronzer, and this is in the shade What Shady Beaches. This bronzer is really nice as well, and it's a matte bronzer, so usually matte products are going to stay better in the heat. Next, for our blush, I'm going to go in with the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. It's a fan favorite and just gives that perfect summer flush. There, just threw on my eyebrows. Next, since my face was feeling a little matte, since we're using all matte, long-lasting products, I'm going in with this MAC mineralized powder in Global Glow. This is the most beautiful bronze topper ever. I am obsessed with it. just to liven up the skin. And now for highlighter, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild loose highlighter in I'm So Lit. This is literally my favorite highlighter from the drugstore currently. I don't know what's gonna beat this. It's just so beautiful, and it's super affordable, and it just lays on the face amazingly, and it does not pick up on my texture, and it just gives a glow like an angel. All right, for our eyes, I'm gonna go in with this Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette. I literally found this at Marshall's for like $5. It's amazing. So none of these shades have names, so just try to follow along. So first I am going in with this crease shade. It's like a natural warm tan. This is a really pretty color even on its own. I'm also dragging this under the lash line as well. And then I'm gonna take a little more precise fluffy brush and go into this like purple mauve-y color. And this is gonna go on our outer corner just to mauve this up. I love mauves and purples on my eyes. I just think it really makes, you know, the blue-green eyes pop. And then I'm gonna go in with this shimmer shade. And this is gonna be our inner corner. I like to drag mine up a little, and I also like to drag it in towards the teardrop area. Tear duct area, I should say. And to add a little spunky color, I'm going in with this ColourPop My Little Pony palette, and I'm going into this really pretty metallic purple called Snuzzle. I'm just applying this to the inner part of the lid. Gives a pop of color for something fun for summer. Also adding this on the lower lash line just to make it all go together. And I'm gonna go in with this deeper purple plum and blend the outer corner and the inner corner, trying to give it something to connect the two shades. Probably doesn't make that big of a difference, but. Next, I'm taking a flat definer brush, and I'm taking the second darkest shade, and I'm just lining my upper lash line. This is my new favorite thing to do instead of liquid liner, especially if you're gonna be in the heat. Whenever I try to do liquid liner, it either, you know, melts away, especially wing liner, or it like smudges. So shadow eyeliner works way better in the heat and sweat. Here I'm just taking a big fluffy brush and blending it all out so it's all even and there's no harsh lines. Now the most important step is setting spray. I use the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. This is a holy grail. Nothing can beat this so far for me, and it sets my makeup beautifully. I also fan it recently with just, you know, a piece of paper, or if you have a fan, and I feel like it helps set everything a lot better. And here I almost forgot. I'm gonna take that highlighter and add it to my body because it's summertime and we wanna be glowy. It's hard to tell through my camera, but it really did give a nice body glow. Since it is a loose highlighter, it will look really nice. Next, I'm going to apply mascara. This is my new Holy Grail mascara. This is amazing. This is by Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. This is super affordable. You can find it at Ulta on the drugstore side. This is the best mascara I've ever used. It lengthens, it lifts lashes, and it's so dark. And it's just so beautiful. This works amazing on my lashes. I would definitely recommend checking this out considering how cheap it is. And I just freaking love it. And I'm just applying a waterproof mascara to my bottom lower lashes. That way, if I do, you know, sweat, it stays. Next, for my lips, I'm gonna line it with this NYX pencil lip liner. I believe this is in the shade Natural. Just a nude, since our eyes are pretty colorful. Not the best at lining my lips. I'm still practicing. I just feel like I have a weird shape at the top, but. And then for lip color, I'm gonna go in with this Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in Seduction. This is beautiful. I freaking love this formula. It's matte, but it's not super drying, and it smells like strawberries. I freaking love it. And to add a little shine, since our face, you know, was matte with some highlight, and I want to add a little shine to our lips, I'm going in with the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in Atta Girl. So here's the final look, guys. This makeup will last through the summer heat. I'm telling you, all day or all night. It's amazing. If you want to see a more in-depth video of me talking through it, just let me know down below in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys. Bye.